This Vicks Ultrasonic Humidifier quietly produces an ultrafine visible mist, helping to return essential moisture to dry air for better breathing and comfortable sleep. Variable mist controls give you the ability to adjust the output for customized control. Its convenient design is equipped with a demineralization cartridge and a 1.5-gallon water tank that operates up to 24 hours per filling. Filter-free, cool mist, variable mist controls. Scent pad heater provides soothing comfort. For use with Vicks VapoPads Large tank for easy cleaning. Directional Mist Outlet, which lets you control the direction and intensity of the mist. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Permanent ceramic filter. You never have to buy new filters. Number 2. Runs up to 70 hours on one tank. Fill it once every 3 days. Number 3. Vicks Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. This quiet, visible cool mist humidifier returns moisture to the air to help you breathe and sleep more comfortably. This filter-free humidifier can run for up to 24 hours and is best for a large room, like a bedroom. Number 4. Vicks Humidifiers for Kids. Adults. This quiet humidifier helps add moisture into the air. Many women and men find that a humidifier for the bedroom becomes an essential part of a good night's sleep when the air is dry, in allergy season, or when sick. Number 5. Cough and congestion relief. When you or your kid has a cold, it can be difficult to sleep through the night. Humidifiers and vaporizers provide temporary relief from coughing and congestion, so your rest won't be as disturbed by coughing fits. Number 6. Vicks VaPORIZERS, Humidifiers, and Steam Inhalers. Steam and humidity offer temporary relief from cough and congestion due to colds or allergies. Vicks humidifiers and steam inhalers can help you breathe easier wherever you are, from the bedroom to the office. Number 7. Humidifiers for bedrooms, desks, tables. Our humidifiers and vaporizers help you breathe better wherever you are, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this unit have auto-off when water is low? Answer. This unit is equipped with an automatic shutoff and will turn off when the water gets too low. Question number 2. How often do I need to replace the demineralization filter? Answer. If you choose to use the optional demineralization cartridge, it has a life of 30 to 60 days, depending on your water quality and how often you use the humidifier. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.